How's it going, guys? Got something a bit special to show you today. Anigrand 172 C-17. It's an absolute monster. It dominates the bench. I can't even get it to sit on the bench. Looks like she's a bit of a tail sitter, but I've got another set of undercarriage to put in here yet. So 72 scale B52 fuselage next to it, just to give it a bit of size comparison to something. It's an absolute monster. And there's the X-15 that came with that big bird. I got this off a fella in town who built it with his boy years ago, and it just it's been languishing ever since, not doing anything with it, so he gave it to me just with the intent of having someone finish it. So I think I'll do the best job I can with it. I mean, he said he isn't the best modeller in the world or anything, but who is? If you look, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, it's quite scratched up and stuff from where it's been bogged together and whatnot, because it's a full resin kit, so it would have been a nightmare to put together, and I'm glad I didn't have to do that bit. So yeah, I have to find myself a set of decals, paint her up. Should be real cool. I'm thinking about donating it to the local air museum once I'm finished with it, because C-17s fly out of Christchurch International here when they go down to the Antarctic. So I might do it as one of the McCord Air Force Base C-17s, because they're the ones that go down, and yeah. Watch this space. Should be pretty cool once it's done. Alright guys, see you later.